No problems. Got 99 problems and it ain't one. Hey yo, welcome to the stream. My name is Oluwasi Charles, and I'd love to thank my mentors, right? You the book, reported Team Sykes wrote the forward to the book, book guide, and finally Matthew Prater wrote the book Rocket Stocks, which you can find over there on Amazon Kindle. Now, let's dive right into this video. Yesterday we made in Forex, and as you can see, there was a correction right here. Now, I was a little bit scared yesterday because I didn't know when the correction was going to happen and if we were going to have a correction. And so that's what happened yesterday. So in this video, we're going to see if we can catch the correction in Cisco, because Cisco was one of the trades that I saw, I think, on the weekend. So we can catch a correction in Cisco. Right now, Cisco is in a state of a correction, which is what we were expecting. So right now, Cisco is not correct. Even after catching the trend, Cisco is definitely in a correction. So what I realized was looking for a correction does kind of reduce the amount of trades to focus on. So I noticed that the candlestick pattern of TradingView is very good at catching corrections. Unlike my candlestick detector, which I use to catch trends, the candlestick pattern of TradingView is very good at catching corrections. Okay. So now, since we're in a correction zone on the 1 hour chart, we're looking for a correction in Cisco. We're also looking for a correction in OKL. Wait, did I? Okay. Was this on Monday? Alright, so we haven't hit the correction yet in this stock. Let me see if we can find a correction here. So we'll do a correction in these other stocks. I think there will be a correction soon. And these other ones as well. So we're looking for the correction now. The good news is that I do use my candlestick detector to find trends. All right, so I think we have was this Monday? GNL was the one that I found using Finviz. I believe I found GNL using Finviz, and this is Monday. So we have the correction here. So GNL is definitely a good buy because we have found the correction. Okay, just a second. All right, so this is the correction right here. So yeah, man, enter on the break above the correction. So your entry in GNL should be probably here. Now GNL is the one that we found using Finviz. If you remember my Finviz strategy, I check out my. So I have made the decision of saying, okay, I'll use the candlestick detectors developed by TradingView to find the breakout, but then I'll use my own detector to I'll use my own detector to I use my own detector to find the trend, and then yeah, so this is definitely your buy position right here on the hammer. So we have found the correction in this one. So that's why I love my Finviz strategy, and my Finviz strategy is very powerful because we're able to catch the correction in GNL. So I found GNL on Finviz, and we're able to catch the correction here, all right, which is the hammer. Mm, this one is invalid. This hammer is invalid. Oh, it's valid. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. So two corrections, which is awesome. Okay, so I think would have risked about how much of our capital? About 0.3. So would have risked about roughly 5% at 10x margin. Yeah, I would have risked about roughly 5%. So 10x is good. So this shows that our system is producing not too bad. So our next one we're going to watch out for is GNL. I don't know if I could put the buy signal in order at 7.89. 0.89. Let's see if it will enter. We'll check it out on tomorrow's stream. See if we have entered position. Another correction that I'm waiting for is in the Ethereum. So I'm waiting for the correction, and it's awesome. I saw the buy signal yesterday, and we have hit a correction. This is perfect. So right now is the right time for us to buy Ethereum. We have seen the correction in Ethereum, which has appeared here. So right now, I would definitely consider buying Ethereum because I saw a correction in Bitcoin. I saw the signal here. Yeah, so right now is the best time to buy Ethereum because I was using the same strategy on crypto and realized the best would be to just buy Ethereum. So like right now, I'll definitely buy Ethereum. It has hit a level of unprecedented correction. So Ethereum is so cheap. You can buy even like 10 of them, right? So because when I saw the signal, on the ratio pair between Ethereum and Bitcoin, my initial reaction was to buy Bitcoin, and that's when I got the secret. And shout out to Matthew Crater, because if it wasn't for Matthew Crater, I wouldn't have known the currency pair or the crypto pair to focus on. The challenge that I'm having with trading crypto is there are too many scams out there, and so it's difficult to catch. Even when you catch the move, you find that everything is in a speculation, right? Everything is in a speculation. So again, for this round, I'll definitely buy Ethereum. I bought Bitcoin yesterday because I think after the stream, I saw the currency pair between Ethereum and BTH. All right, so from a look of things, my logic did not work, which is fine. I'll just exit at a loss. So the correction, I thought maybe the correction will not apply to Bitcoin. I thought the correction will only apply to Ethereum, but I think the correction definitely applies to Bitcoin as well. I mean, even though the difference is like what, maybe 1%, you know, so it's not really that much of a big deal. But we can still use the correction even in Bitcoin. But the correction was mainly for Ethereum, so I don't know how much they are correlated, but yeah. Uh, the difference is like 1%, you know, with Bitcoin chart. Yeah, the difference is like what, 1%. It's not much. What, 54%? Man, it's not that much. 5%. It's not that much. So yeah, I'll definitely buy Bitcoin. Yeah, definitely buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know. Maybe we could try and find another stock to trade. But right now, in terms of currency, Forex, we're done. I think we're done with that. I found direction which I was looking for in Ethereum. Uh, found the correction I was looking for, which is what has happened right there. You have a morning correction. Is this more Bozo white? So this candlestick chart pattern is very good for finding corrections in crypto. So I usually use this as my benchmark, thanks to Matthew Crater. So I can just put that there, just hide those. I'm still watching these. I think I'll remove this one. You just have to be patient. Still waiting for the correction in these two here. Okay, let's remove this. So let's go to Finviz. So let's see if I have enough network power to go into Finviz and find the stock to trade in Finviz. I'd love to welcome you if you're just joining me. Thank you for joining me. I'm just saying, like, right now, buying Bitcoin and Ethereum is your bet. Is that? Especially Ethereum. So we're going to look at the Finviz. Meanwhile, we're waiting for a correction in the price of Cisco. And these are the stocks which I found. Those two stocks I found them with Tim Boyne and Investors Underground. Some services that I learned from following Manta, TM Sykes. So we're just going to experiment a little bit with Finviz. Let's see what we can find. Again, if you need a Finviz account, check out the link in the description. Get Finviz. Because remember, GNL, we found GNL and Finviz. As you can see, the markets are not doing too well. Only Google has done very well. The overall market, and Google is doing very well. Tesla has also done a little bit well. So has Walmart. The rest of the market is not doing too well. We are definitely in a bear market. As you can see, prices have dropped. So we are every day in the markets, which is so sad. As it is, we're in a bear market, so welcome to the bear market. So we're going to see if we can find a strategy. We're going to see if we can find a strategy. We're going to if we can find the stock to trade. Start with bonds because you know was in the Russell 2000, and I don't know if you remember my strategy. I think I still have a little bit of time. I can teach it. I'm trying my best to keep these videos under 80 minutes. So we'll check this. So I don't know if you remember my strategy. Let me put it on the screen. So as I put this strategy on the screen, let me search for a stock trade. So right now I'm searching for So that's strategy investing on the screen. Mic test 1 2 1 2. This is crazy. I'm founding trade right now. Okay, so I think we're from here. Yeah, get on our watch list. Okay, so it means we need to watch out for here.